Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Shah, and today I am delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic that should kids be given pocket money or not. Well, I personally believe that pocket money should be given to every kid because there are many more reasons about pocket money. So let's start and talk about. So I think that pocket money should be given because pocket money helps to learn the value of money, and as well as pocket money helps to learn the management of money. And I think that this thing is very vital in every life, in every student life, and in every children life. I think like this. And that time when we need money, we can spend our money. For example, that it's not like this, like for everything we should depend on our parents. When we are purchasing something and when we need something, so it's not like this, like for whatever we want we should first of all we have to ask money from our parents, and after that whatever we want we purchase. So if we have money we can purchase. Take my example that whenever I need something, for example, I have to purchase my pen, pencil, books. So as of now, I didn't ask money from my parents because my parents gave me pocket money. And what's the need of asking money to my parents when they are providing me pocket money? That's it.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. As she was mentioning about the value, that we can learn that how to value money. But here I want to say that if pocket money is given to the students, so what will happen that we can forget that actual what's the value of the money. Because what happens in pocket money, we are not given 1 rupee, 2, 3, no. We are given 2,000, 5,000 or 500 like this we are given. When we are given a lot of money, so what will happen that of course we'll forget the value of money. We want value, that how to earn money, how our fathers they do hard work, how they do laboring, and how do they earn money. We want things, we want value to the money, and she is saying that we can value to money, we can learn that how to value money. Of course not, sister. Our biggest popular person, Cristiano Ronaldo, he also says that pocket money should not be given to the students, because if we provide each and everything to the students, so what will happen that he won't do hard work, he won't make his own ideas, own goals, that what should I do in my life, what should I become in my life, because he is provided each and everything. So how he will learn that I should become something? And second, I would like to answer someone was mentioning that we should keep an eye, parents should keep an eye on students, that where they are spending money. Suppose I am given miss pocket money, so my parents, my father will come, Rayan, I'll be with you and I'll check that where you are spending money. I am going to school, Adde wala tukmi number 2, so my father will come after me. Or Rayan, where are you going? No, this is not a direction, this is direction, go to your school. Of course not, sister. My parents won't be always with me. If they are giving me money, so what am I doing with money? So they don't know. That's all. Thank you so much. Please, sister, you speak.
About something that because of pocket money, we are forgetting the value of money and we are forgetting the hard work. Okay, if I tell you the National Survey of Parents, according to National Survey of Parents, only 18% parents of India think that pocket money is not necessary, and pocket money somewhere reduces the hard work in children. Only 18% parents think like this. And as you given me example about Ronaldo, so here are many more greatest people who has said that pocket money is very important because it helps to learn the management of money and many more things they tell us.
Okay. Listen. Could you give me example? Could tell.
Like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett, and there are many more people who think that pocket money should be given, and in their past they would collect their money with the help of their pocket money, and at this time they are successful in their life. Why? Because of only pocket money.
Oh, listen. She's saying that because of pocket money, they are successful, they have succeeded in their life. Listen, let me get along. Sister, it's my turn to speak. It's my turn to speak. They have succeeded because of pocket money. Sister, listen. Have you heard ever their interview that what do they say? They do not say about the pocket money. Somewhere if they say, so that's different. But they say that if students or children, if they are asking money by themselves, then you should provide. It's not like